and let there be light, and there was light. Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lexi Wangu. In case you're new here, karibu. Please join the family by clicking on that subscription button, the notification bell as well, so you don't miss out on new videos from me. And by the way, happy new year 2023. Aren't you excited to be alive this year? I am so excited and happy and thankful and grateful to be breathing air in 2023. Alright, so since it's the new year, I know most of you have new year resolutions. Personally, I do have a lot, plenty, nyingi tu sana. In regards to this video, one of them is being consistent with my skincare routine and just ensuring that my skin is healthy as much as possible. Today's video is going to be focusing on anybody who has a new year resolution to begin a skincare routine. Like you're just there, you always want to have a skincare routine that works for you, and you've been telling yourself, I'm going to start a skincare routine, but you have no idea where to begin. There's plenty of products out there, there's a lot of information on YouTube, and how do you utaanzia? You're confused, you don't want to, risk damaging your skin with purchasing products that are going to affect your skin. This video is for you. Alright, so where do we start? The most important thing before you even buy the first product that you will be using in your skincare routine, the first and most important thing to know or identify is understand your skin type. I have done a detailed video in regards to skin types where you can identify your skin from home, the methods that I personally have used, and they've helped me identify my skin type without even going to a dermatologist. So if that is something that interests you, check this video out. I don't know, somewhere here, yep, that pop-up, check that video out. It's gonna help you, identify your skin type from home. Personally, I have oily skin and I used those methods to identify my skin type from home. Why is that? Why is it so important for you to identify your skin type? Reason number one is it helps you avoid mistakes of purchasing products that are not meant for your skin type. For instance, let's say you have dry skin and then you go to a beauty store and purchase a product that is meant for super oily skin. Then the probability of that product working for your skin is it won't work, because the ingredients that are used in every product are specifically formulated to work for specific skin type. Unless the product claims it's for all skin type, then you're good to go. Alright, so you've identified your skin type. Let's say maybe you have dry skin, oily skin, combination skin, you have sensitive skin. Depending on the type of skin that you have, you are ready to purchase your first product. How do you go about that? There's plenty, millions of product outside here. Like kuna products nyingi, like you just get confused. You wanna buy this since you've seen somebody on YouTube using that product, unataka kununua hii because it's the trending product on social media, and you're like just confused. Please calm down, baby, calm down, just calm down. As you're starting out, you don't need a lot of products. You just need to start with as simple as 2 products. Yep, trust me, when I started out, I'm not gonna lie, I didn't start out with 2 products. I went ahead and bought a cleanser, I bought a toner, I bought a moisturizer, I bought a serum as well, a serum, a sunscreen. I bought all those things to apply on my face, but it just didn't work. So it's really essential and important to understand that you don't need much, or you don't need too much for your skincare to work. So you can start with as simple as 2 products. And what do I mean by 2 products? The first product that is very important in your skincare routine is a cleanser. When purchasing a cleanser, ensure that you purchase a cleanser that is gentle on your skin. Just read on the package. Okay, some cleansers might say they're gentle and they are not, but just try as much as possible to do your research on gentle cleansers. Watch YouTube tutorials. I know they may be confusing, they might be confusing, they are always confusing. Just do your research well. I have examples of gentle facial cleansers that have worked for my oily skin, and this is one of my favorite cleanser, the CeraVe Foaming Facial Cleanser. This one here, I like this cleanser. It really is gentle on my skin. It does not strain strip my skin. It does not contain any fragrance. It's meant for normal to oily skin, which is the category that I fall under. It's an oil control cleanser. It has ceramides, niacinamide, hyaluronic acid. I mean, this is just an example of a cleanser that I feel if you have normal to oily skin, you can comfortably use this cleanser, and it just does the job. Cleanses my face, gets rid of excess oil and dirt from, you know, my face, my skin. Another one is the Simple Facial Moisturizing, what? No, I'm just gonna link it here. This one here, this one, and this one, and this one. Yeah, those are types of gentle cleansers that you can try out depending on your skin type. So for instance, CeraVe has, I'm 100% sure it has cleansers meant for people who have dry skin, cleansers for people who have, you know, normal to oily skin. Just do your research well after identifying your skin type. See how easy that is. So definitely, number one, you need a cleanser. Cleanser is important and essential. You can't do a skincare routine without a cleanser. How is that even going to be a skincare routine? All right, so you managed to purchase a gentle cleanser for your skin. Step number 2, moisturizer. You can purchase a moisturizer that contains SPF in it, so you kill 2 birds with 1 stone. Okay, I haven't used a moisturizer that has SPF because personally I prefer to buy a moisturizer separately from an SPF so that I can use my moisturizer during the day and during the night before I go to bed. You can start with as simple as 2 products, a cleanser and a moisturizer that contains SPF. But then this is going to be a little bit tricky because it's not advisable to sleep with SPF. So you can opt to buy a different moisturizer that doesn't contain SPF. SPF is basically sunscreen. Or you can opt to buy a sunscreen separately and a moisturizer separately. So now that you've purchased your products, you have your cleanser, you have your moisturizer, and you have your sunscreen, how do you use these products? Like, how consistent can you get with these products? Always ensure that you do your skincare routine twice a day. In the morning after you wake up, and at night before you sleep. And if you can skip a skincare routine, trust you me, it's better you skip it in the morning when you wake up rather than at night before you go to sleep. Because in the morning when you wake up, your face, okay, it's not as dirty as compared to during the day when you've gone outside, a lot of dirt, a lot of exposure to, you know, pollution, and then you come back and then you sleep on that skin. Nah. If you are to skip a skincare routine, do it in the morning, but usizoe, don't make it a thing, because it's really essential for you to cleanse your face, moisturize your face, and protect your face. Alright, so what do? In the morning when you wake up, ensure that you cleanse your face with a gentle cleanser, follow it up with a moisturizer, and then finish it up with a sunscreen. Please do not skip your sunscreen. So for instance, myself, this is what I usually do. When I wake up in the morning, I use the CeraVe foaming facial cleanser, and then I follow it up with the daily moisturizing lotion, this one here. That is if I'm not making my skincare routine complicated that day. I'm not applying serums, I'm not applying exfoliants, I'm not applying all those things. I'm just doing the simple basic skincare routine. So this is what I follow up with. And then last but not least, I use this Cosrx aloe vera soothing sun cream, 50 SPF plus. This is what I use to protect my skin, and actually it's almost over. I need to buy another one. Yeah, so that is my simple skincare routine. Whenever I'm adding, you know, additional things in my skincare routine, I'll go in with a cleanser, then follow it up probably with this Garnier Vitamin C, this one here, Garnier Vitamin C serum. Maybe follow it up with a sheet mask, and then daily moisturizing lotion. Last but not least, I never skip this during the day. Never, ever at all. This is what I like to use. We are not here to talk about sunscreens. Anyway, so that is my morning skincare routine. So I've gone about my day, nimerushiwa vumbi na matatu, sijui nini, yada. My face is now dirty, I'm at home, and I need to cleanse my face. If I've applied makeup during the day, then I'll go in with, you know, micellar water first, then use my cleanser, After that is if I've worn makeup. If I haven't worn makeup, using 2 pumps of this, like I pump once, wash my face, rinse it with water, then use a second pump. It usually just does the job. That is if I'm not wearing any makeup. And then next I follow it up with the CeraVe PM facial moisturizing lotion. This one I sometimes use it during the day, but I just love using it during the night because it's really lightweight and it gets the job done. It moisturizes my skin. So I follow it up with a moisturizer, and that is it. Like cleanser, moisturizer, that's it, and I go to bed. Make it simple. Don't go overboard because you see people having different types of, you know, a lot of products on YouTube and everything, and you're like, I need all those products for my skincare routine to work. No, you don't need all those products. What you need is a gentle cleanser, a moisturizer, and an SPF, and consistency. Okay, for your skincare routine to work. Be patient because skincare basically is a journey. It won't work overnight. If you buy a product and expect it to work overnight, no, then you're lying to yourself. Another thing, applying too much products does not mean that your skincare is going to work. If the package says use 2 pumps or use a pump to, you know, moisturize your skin, then just do that. Alright, so it's been, let's say, a month or 2 of using the basic skincare products. You've been using a cleanser, a moisturizer, and a sunscreen during the day, and now you want to, you know, spice up your skincare routine a little bit by adding, let's say, maybe an exfoliant, serum, essence, whatever it is that you want to add into your skincare routine. Start including products into your skincare routine slowly. So let's say you want to add a vitamin C serum into your skincare routine. Please include the product slowly. Start slowly. So you can start by including a vitamin C serum, let's say thrice a week in your skincare routine. Apply it consistently. Let's say you apply it on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Make sure that you follow that routine. You apply it on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, probably in the morning. I usually feel like in the morning is when vitamin C maximizes its use, because when you combine vitamin C with your sunscreen, it acts as the best protection from sun damage. Alright, so include it pole. You apply it 3 times a week. Then after that week, if the product is working perfectly for you, like you feel no irritation, it's just working perfectly, then you can go on and apply every other day. Like you apply it today, you skip tomorrow, apply today, apply the next day, you skip the day after that day. After a while, when your skin has, you know, gotten used to vitamin C, then you can apply it daily or even twice a day, depending on your skin needs. Personally, I apply it daily now that my skin has gotten used to vitamin C. Yeah, it's been working perfectly for me. My skin is more evened out and I love it. So I'm looking forward to trying out other vitamin C products from other brands. Umona vemi napeleka yangu pole pole. You apply hivo until your skin gets used to something. Another tip is that when you're purchasing products, try and, if they have a variety of sizes, try and start with a smaller size, so that if it doesn't work for your skin, then it won't be a waste of money and product. And something else is, when you find products that don't work for your skin, use them on the rest of your body, like especially uko chini kwa miguu. If a moisturizer doesn't work for you, paka kwa miguu uko chini kwa ugwaro, it's okay. Alright, so I hope I've mentioned everything. Let me just do a recap so that it can sink in, because you know these things can really be confusing. Kabisa, totally. When you're starting out on skincare, start very simple, like very basic. Don't go overboard with skincare products. Start with a gentle cleanser, a moisturizer that is compatible with your skin type, and a sunscreen. During the day, please do not skip your sunscreen. Don't go overboard because you just see somebody on, you know, YouTube or social media using plenty of products. They have CeraVe, they have Garnier, they have all brands that you can think of. No, just try as much as possible to start minimal. Be consistent. Understand that skincare routine is a journey. You have to be really patient. You have to, just be patient. Be patient kabisa, and then you will see results in, let's say, 2 weeks, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, depending on whatever skin condition you have, or whatever type of skin you have, or whatever it is that you're trying to achieve with your skincare routine. And I hope that was informative. I usually try as much as possible to create informative videos. If you have any questions, maybe I haven't mentioned anything, please feel free to leave it down in the comment section below. Ask as many questions as you can. If you have additional information as well, kindly please ongezea hapo. We are here to learn. I'm always grateful to those people who just come on my comment section and leave additional information, ask questions, and that is how we learn, that is how we grow. So I hope this was helpful, and until next time, I'll see you on the next video. Adios, bye bye. Bye. Oh, and there was one more light. Last time we light you got up. Let me relax.